It's Fresco Windows video about screen replacement on Sprinter. All you would need is a flathead for this. First step is to remove the screen capture from the screen mount strap. And the next step would be to remove the screen mount strap from the rail. And if possible, try to remove the glue from the inside so this is getting in the way. I didn't want this. And you would also need to put tape on the front and back side of the screen mount strap.
In most cases, they'll be included.
In most cases, it will be included. I would start from the bottom.
Make sure you space it.
And the top. Make sure to press it down. And then align the screen capture with the screen. And there you have it.